Make flat work less work with the Tomahawk battery-powered Power Screeds, the ultimate finishing tool for smooth, professional concrete jobs. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get your screed assembled and ready for action. Your screed arrives in two main pieces, the engine unit and the blade. Carefully unpack all components from the box. If anything appears missing, contact your shipping carrier right away. To assemble the screed, you'll need an adjustable wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 19mm socket, an impact drill, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by inserting the handle connectors into the base of the screed. Use a bolt, 2 rubber washers, 2 standard washers, and a nut on each side. Repeat this on the opposite side. Next, slide the handlebars over the connectors and secure them using the same bolt and washer setup. Tighten with your 13mm wrench. To install the kickstand, feed a bolt through the frame and kickstand bracket, then lock it into place with the provided pin. Attach the throttle by clamping it onto the handlebar and fastening it with a Phillips screwdriver. Now, let's install the blade. Remove the screed board from its packaging. Align the blade with the mounting holes on the screed base. Insert the bolts through the back of the blade and the frame. Then add a washer, locking washer, and a nut to each bolt. Hand tighten the bolts first, then finish with a 19mm socket and impact drill for a secure fit. To insert the battery, open the compartment door, align the battery with the guides, and slide it in until it clicks. Then, close the door. Never force the battery into place. To start the screed, press the red on button. After a brief delay, the motor will activate and begin vibrating. For the best results, screed in long parallel strips, overlapping each pass by 12 to 18 inches to ensure consistent height and smooth transitions. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.